Is your engine temperature gauge climbing into the red zone out of nowhere, and your air conditioning suddenly blowing warm air? You could be facing trouble code P261A, which points to an open control circuit for Coolant Pump B. Let us dive into what this means for your cooling system and how to keep your engine from melting down. This code is very common in modern hybrid vehicles from manufacturers like Ford and Toyota, found all across American roads. Coolant Pump B is an electric water pump, separate from your main mechanical pump. It is usually mounted near the front of the engine, inside the wheel well, or up against the firewall. The engine computer monitors the intake air temperature, engine speed, and a C-system pressure to decide when to turn this pump on. Code P261A means the computer tried to turn the pump on, but it detected an open circuit, meaning the electrical connection is completely broken. Because this is an electrical failure, the computer cannot fix it on its own. The severity of this code is extremely high. Your main symptom will be the check engine light turning on, followed quickly by engine overheating, especially in heavy traffic. To try and save the engine, the computer will command your radiator cooling fans to run at 100% speed all the time. Your air conditioning will also likely stop working to reduce the load on the engine. The most common cause is a wiring issue. The wires leading to the pump might be rubbed raw, burned, or corroded. The second most common cause is the electric pump motor itself burning out. A failed engine computer is also possible, but very rare. To troubleshoot this, you need to locate the pump and do a thorough visual check. Unplug the electrical connector and look inside. If you see green corrosion or melted plastic, clean it with electrical contact cleaner and a small brush, then apply dielectric grease. Clear the code with a scan tool and see if it returns. If the code comes back, you need to test the pump. Grab a digital volt-o-meter, unplug the pump and test the resistance between the two terminals on the pump itself. If it shows infinite resistance, the internal motor is blown, and you need a new pump. If the pump tests good, you need to check the power supply. Turn the pump on using a high-end scan tool and use your meter to check for 12 volts at the wiring harness. If you have no power, you have a broken wire or a bad relay. Testing these circuits can be complicated. If you verify that the pump has power and ground but it still does not work, or if you suspect the main computer is dead, take your vehicle to a professional diagnostician. Replacing the main computer requires programming that only shops can do. Thanks for watching, keep an eye on your temperature gauge, and happy drive.